Hey guys, it's Chris from SurviveNnThrive. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick video. I'm going to start my navigation series, so I thought I'd start with solar navigation, which is a really rudimentary and basic way to navigate. So I'm just going to get right into that and explain it. Okay guys, so I showed you about the position of the sun. It's 1:20 right now where I am. I'm in the northern hemisphere in the New England area. So what that means for me, I'll explain the difference between northern and southern hemisphere in just a second. But in the northern hemisphere, the sun moves on a southern arc across the sky. So what that means for me is that between 12, 1, around that area, the sun is almost at an exact southern point. So if I'm looking at the sun, that means my southern direction is directly behind me right now. The camera is literally looking south right now. In the southern hemisphere, your sun's going to move on a northern arc across the sky. So if you're looking at the sun, you're going to be looking in a northerly direction, and when it hits its peak point in that time of the day, it's going to be directly ahead of north. So that's just a simple way to get your north-south bearing, which I know is this way. So now that we know our basic north-south bearing, we can basically figure out east and west. Now, another way to notice east and west is where the sun's rising and setting. The sun will rise on the east and set on the west. And just a simple little breakdown of the north, east, south, west compass. To remember it, if you want to look at it as like a clock and you want to follow it clockwise around, and starting at north, and remember, never eat soggy waffles. It was something I was taught when I was little in Scouts, just learning how to use a compass and all that fun stuff. So never eat soggy waffles. It's what I use to this day to remember it, just off the top of my head really quick. So NESW, there you go. But anyway, that's basic solar navigation. Knowing that your sun is moving, if you're in the northern hemisphere, just to recap, is moving on a southern arc. So if you're looking at the sun and you're in the northern hemisphere of the world, you're looking south. If you're in the southern hemisphere and you're looking at the sun moving across the sky, you're looking in a northerly direction. And then the other thing to remember is the sun rises on the east and sets on the west. So if you can remember those little things, you can get your basic orientation when there is sun. Like today, it's a partially cloudy. You got a few clouds here and there. It's a beautiful day, so you can see the sun. You know exactly where the sun is, and it makes it really easy for navigating. If you're walking through a new area, keep the sun on a certain part of your face when you're walking, or in a certain direction of you, and you can keep your bearing a little bit. It just helps reorient yourself too. So it's just a quick, easy thing to do. It's very, very basic navigation. Give it a shot. If you're new to it, go outside, bring a compass, and then look at where the sun is and try to figure out where your north, south, east, west is, and then use your compass to verify what you're doing. You'll be surprised how easy it is to pick up and how accurate it can be. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions about solar navigation, feel free to email me or message me, comment below, all that fun stuff. My email's in the description as always. Other than that, thanks for checking out my channel, thanks for watching my videos, thanks for your support, subscribing, like, commenting, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you around.